Milandu was a boy who lived in a town on the outskirts of the rainforest. He lived with his parents and did not have many friends. Milandu was not a nice boy. The other children in his village obeyed their parents and were kind to others, but he did not do either of these things. He disobeyed his parents and was unkind to the other inhabitants of the village. For this, he was often punished. One day, Milandu and his parents were eating lunch outside.
May I join you?
No, go away.
Fine then.
Milandu's parents were furious. They reprimanded him and sent him away. Milandu wandered through town, fed up with his parents and their punishments. He was so angry that he lost track of time and place. He kept walking and walking and walking.
Where am I?
You're in the forest.
Who is that? Can you help me find my way out?
Yes, but only if you help me first.
What must I do?
Let me take you to the others. Follow me.
What must I do to learn the path back to my village?
There is a python in this part of the jungle that has been terrorizing us. You must go over and scare him so that he never shall return.
Show me the way.
Follow us.
I have been expecting you.
We have to punish you for your naughtiness. You must make amends to your ways.
You tricked me.
If you ever wish to see your village again, you must do as we ask.
What do I have to do?
You must serve us for 2 months.
And for 2 months, Milandu did the animals' bidding. He gathered food for them and scared away hunters. After the 2 months had finally passed, the animals agreed to show him the way.
You must never disobey your parents or be mean again, or we will come back.
Milandu, where have you been for the last 3 hours?
I've been gone for 2 months. The animals of the rainforest imprisoned me.
Well, it seems like you've had quite an adventure.
And so Milandu was reunited with his parents. After months of laboring in the forest, he had learned how valuable kindness was. He realized that the animals only treated him as poorly as he used to treat the others back in his village. Milandu resolved to never be disrespectful again. He knew that if he reverted back to his old ways, the animals of the rainforest would be waiting for him.